You guys excited?
Yeah.
Why?
So you're gonna build a truck.
I'm Clint with Never Done Industries, and this is our father-son's project. This is my boy Kyler, my son Hayden. We are going to go completely through this truck. It's a 1971 Ford F100. It has the FE390 in it. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's a short box, 4-wheel drive. It's already got some upgrades done to it. It's got a fuel cell in it. The axles have been switched out to 78 axles, so we've got disc brakes. A few different things like that. It currently runs and drives. If we wanted to, we could just throw a paint job on it, pretty it up, take care of a few details, and it would be fine. They could drive it whenever when they get their licenses. But I felt like it was a lot more important to teach them what is actually involved in building a vehicle and in repairing a vehicle and that kind of stuff. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear this thing all the way down, not like super all the way down, but we're gonna tear it down, and I'm going to show them how to take the engine out, what's inside of the engine, how to rebuild the engine, how to clean everything up, how to maintain and repair and upgrade a vehicle. I'm going to show them how to do body work, metal work, all that kind of stuff. And I'm not an expert on all of those things, but I am open to learn, and we'd like to invite you guys to follow us along on the journey of this build, and hopefully you guys will be able to get some good information out of it, or just some enjoyment. So here we go. All right, buddy, so we're going to take both of these bolts off, and we're going to take the hood off. So go ahead and take that top one.